How to fix NAB app not working. If the NAB application isn't working, there could be various reasons for this. You want to start off by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. NAB also requires a couple of permissions like a location and Bluetooth access. If that is disabled, then it will not be able to work properly, so make sure you've enabled those settings. If you're using the NAB app on Android, just long press the NAB app icon and you'll find this I button that says app info. This setting will be found on any Android device. From here, go to storage usage and where you can clear the cache files, and you can also choose to clear the data. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the NAB mobile banking app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version and see if that actually helps you as well. Otherwise, try to check your login information as well. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.